Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to switch templates on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Squarespace, I need you to click the Get Started option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Switching templates on Squarespace involves selecting a new design template for your site. It's a straightforward process, but when rebranding, a new template can better reflect your updated brand identity, colors, and styles. Of course, if your site design feels outdated, a new template can provide a fresh, modern look. So some templates offer advanced features, layouts, or integrations that your current template may lack. Now, once you are here on the Squarespace website builder editor, I need you to click on the site styles. All right. Now the thing is, when you have created your first website template here on the Squarespace, you would be given given a lot of options, right? For example, you have, let's try to create a new one for it's a lot easier to demonstrate. Now I'm on the homepage for Squarespace. I'm gonna click on the Get Started option, and of course, you see, you would be given popular design templates, 29, all of them. These are free, all right? So I'm choosing something like maybe this one, but make sure it's free because some of the design templates are premium or pro for paid subscription. Maybe I'm choosing something like a color for less this one. You see, you can customize styles. You have to remember this one. Add features and more when you start a trial. You can simply, of course, start with the design, click on that. And of course, you just have to follow the on-screen instructions, all right? Because some templates offer advanced features, layouts, or integrations that your current template might lack. Switching to a template with better navigation options can enhance user experience, all right? Now, for example, you have the multiple options to add, edit, or remove text or images to customize a page. You see, when you create a template from scratch, all right, there's no option to switch templates as of this moment, all right? For example, if your current template isn't mobile friendly, switching to a more responsive template can improve your site's appearance and performance on all mobile devices, especially if you're on the desktop view. Click on the mobile view to have that. But for us to be able to switch templates, we got to go to the site style, click on it, and you have all these multiple options that you can use. All right, so you have the headings for your paragraphs, baseline, buttons, assign styles. You can also reset the font pack. You have the buttons. You have like the primary, secondary, tertiary, and a lot more. I'm switching over to the first site that I have created. Now, as you see on the forms, you can choose the field shape. It could be this one and custom corners. So basically, you can do a lot, all right? The thing is, you can't really switch templates. They remove that feature, and I hate to say it to you guys, but this is the only way for you to be able to somehow change the templates, or maybe like switching, all right? You have all of these effects at your disposal, all right? Submitting, button validation, and a lot more. If you don't feel like it, you might want to get a new template that offers more suitable layouts for how you want to organize and present your content. Otherwise, this is the only way to switch or change your templates here, all right? Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.